In this video, we use general properties bacteria. We try to find the answer of following question. What is? How does bacteria acquire food? How does a spider? How does a bacteria produce new bacteria? Question 1. What is bacteria made of? Our body is made very large number of cells. And cells are responsible for performing different functions. But a bacteria is a single cell. All nutrition such as nutrition, respiration, excretion, etc. are done by this single cell. Since bacteria is from single cell, it is called unicellular organism. Nucleus of bacteria cell and other organelles are not bound by any membrane, and thus bacteria cell is a prokaryotic cell. Bacteria are considered as the first organisms to live on the earth, and every other organism evolved from it. Question 2. How does a bacteria produce new bacteria? New bacteria cells are produced by a process called fission. In this process, a bacteria divides into 2 or more new cells. When it divides into 2 cells, it is called binary fission, and when multiple cells are formed, it is called multiple fission. Question 3. How does bacteria acquire food? There are various ways bacteria can acquire food. There are some bacteria which have chlorophyll pigment and thus prepare their food by photosynthesis. Cyanobacteria is a photosynthetic bacteria. There are some bacteria which produce food as a result of chemical reaction. Food preparation in such way is called chemosynthesis. In chemosynthesis, energy of sun is not used, and compounds such as ammonia and hydrogen sulfide undergo chemical change. As a result, food and energy is produced. There are some bacteria which depend on other living beings for food. In exchange, they perform certain function for that organisms. Such bacteria are called symbiotic bacteria. Escherichia coli is a symbiotic bacteria which is found in small intestine in humans. It helps in producing vitamin K2 in exchange for food. Question 4. How does a bacteria utilize food? Respiration is process by which food is used to generate energy and for growth. When respiration takes place with oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. And when oxygen is not involved in respiration, it is called anaerobic respiration. Bacteria can perform both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Bacteria play an important role in whole ecosystem, and thus understanding them is essential. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology.